had just broke up with my boyfriend. I cut all my hair off, and I was on my way to Bali to have whatever experience, solo experience Black women have when they're overseas. And I remember I had got up, and God was like, "You need to put on this men's event."
It was dope too.
And I looked at my bank account. Thank you.
Okay.
And my bank account did not agree with what God had told me.
Oh, really?
It was like, I was like, listen, okay, so I heard the message.
Right.
But the way that my bank account's looked up, I'm about to take this vacation. I need this money that I saved so that I can, have a hot girl summer.
Hot girl summer in Bali. Yeah.
So I was like, okay. So then I was like really contemplating, and I was just like, God was like, okay, if you want to go out the country disobedient, then okay, cool.
Right,
on
right.
you. So I was like, all right, fine. So I put on that event, and you showed up, and all these other men showed up. And I was trying to keep it together because I was the only I think it was one other woman who worked for Kingston 11 there, but then it was just me. But I was not expecting the outcome.
That turnout.
I was not expecting that many men to show up. I was not expecting the level of conversation to be had. Right. But after that was over, you guys had taken up a collection and paid for the entire event and gave me some spending money.
There you go.
Look, okay.
You listened to what God said, and you did it, and it all worked out.
It did.
It worked out.